Gmail settings, keyboard shortcuts. So there's a couple of ways to get your shortcuts. The first way I'm going to show you is that you go up to the icon, the gear icon, click on settings, and at the very end is keyboard shortcuts. Click on there, and there's all your shortcuts. You can change those. I recommend you don't, but you can change them. Or you can put alternatives in. Okay, so that's one option, and you can use those. I'm going to show you the very best ones, okay, the ones I think are the best to use, but you can look through these and learn them and work them, and it's great. Now, the other way to get shortcuts, which are not the same, it's not the same list, it's a different list, so this is another way to get a different list, is to hit Shift question mark or Control question mark. It depends on the keyboard you're using. Try it out. You'll find it pretty quickly. Control question mark or Shift question mark, and it will bring up a window like this. And in here you can see the shortcuts you want to use. Again, you're not going to use them all in a hurry, so learn one or two. Just learn one or two, and don't be big on trying to learn the whole lot in a short run. But what I've done is I've set up what I believe are the absolute best shortcuts you'll use, and here they are here. So C, R, F, E, and slash. C for compose, create a new email. R for reply. F for forward. E for exit or archive, so it puts it away but it's still available. And slash to search for something. Now let me show you how that works. C. Right? Click on an email, and if I hit reply, R, well, actually it's not going to do that because it's not been sent. I can forward an email. Let me just do that again. Click on an email, I can hit reply, R, and I'm straight into typing. Okay? Or I can click on an email and I can forward it, F, straight into typing the name. Okay? And the other thing to note is if I hit the slash key, the key goes straight up to here where I can search. Now those are the most important shortcuts you will use. And you'll use them most because you'll use them all the time. Now, like I say, have a look at this, sorry, wrong one. Have a look at this here because it's a handy set of shortcuts. There's some pretty good stuff in here, and you might find stuff that you'll like to use all the time. But the main thing is, if you're using shortcuts, use these. Learn these first, and don't be too bothered about the rest. So I'm going to leave that up for a moment while I finish off. You can get the shortcuts by clicking on the gear icon up here, clicking settings and going to the shortcuts tab, or you can click Shift question mark or Control question mark, whatever it's going to be to find, and you'll come up with the shortcuts nice and swiftly. Cheers.